Welcome back to Stay Tuned. Today was the craziest, most insane racing I've ever been a part of. Crashes, bashes, smashes, spinning, donuts, insanity. Not today! Welcome back to Stay Tuned. Today we're going racing in beautiful, sunny Florida, except that it's disgusting and pouring raining. We're here at the 2.4 Hrs of LeMullets. This is, we're at the Feed'em Factory. This is Cleetus McFarland's home base. Dude's a YouTube Goliath. He owns this whole track. It's a 3/8 oval, plus a skid pad and a drag strip. And the premise today is this. Take 30 maniacs or so, throw them in 15 old Crown Victorias and let them loose on that track, the oval track. So it's, everyone gets about 45 minutes. There's teams of drivers. It's me and Derek from Vice Grip Garage today in our beautiful red Freedom machine here. And we're rocking 1776. And we are about to go basically right into qualifying. We missed practice because it was too wet. I haven't done any real serious competitive driving in a few years, but we're gonna feel it out and see how we can do. I'm excited. Let's go.
Look at this. Oh, and used tires. Sweet. Doing good.
Love it. Look at this
Checking
thing.
out our awesome Chariot.
Yeah.
Dang.
You gotta get it.
That's gonna give us all the downforce we need to do wheelies out there or whatever we're doing. Speed tools. They should have left that. That's us. Will not start in park. Shake shifter in neutral. I love it.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
It says it won't start in park. So you gotta wiggle the shifter or something.
No way. It does say that. Axle is a Z5, so we have the 327, which is not preferred here.
Ugh. All right.
The C6 rear end is a 352, I think.
What is this sound?
Huh?
Like that sound in the back? Woo!
Yep. It's an 08, so we got the good front, right? Oh, we got a new intake on her.
Yeah.
See this hose back here?
Uh-huh.
This one.
Yeah.
That plastic nipple always bursts, and then that comes under the rear tires and you wreck.
Oh boy. Okay.
Probably won't happen for us.
That's awesome. I know that this thing is plastic sometimes, and we have a metal one. That's better. That's much stronger.
Yep. This cable is red.
Yeah. Big,
That's
high performance.
That's good.
Uh-huh.
What is the Tampa Bay battery?
Likes to party. Can't be told what to do. You know what I mean? Loves freedom.
We might have AC. Oh, she's a quart low. That's fine.
Where's that go? In the garbage?
Oh, I just accidentally folded it. So now it's not any good.
No, it's not good anymore.
Oh.
Can you reach the button?
Yeah, that's my big question. Ah!
Oh, you're golden.
Yeah.
So try to stay off the rough stuff if you can when you pick this line coming around here. You're kind of
On the concrete patches?
yeah, because otherwise the car really starts to get unsettled and
Okay.
slidey-ish.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna, like, my big thing, I'm gonna just do my best to not overdrive the car, which is probably gonna be my problem. So I'm gonna try to really keep it restrained.
Oh, this is gonna be
Yeah, this is something.
ice rink.
Yeah, this is wild. Yeah, it's like almost polished concrete. Wet. It'll be like, good.
Yeah, so you're gonna go from concrete to asphalt to slick concrete.
Yep.
Back to asphalt / patch.
Just a little tweak.
Yeah, she's a little low in the dinosaur juice, so gonna make sure she's full. I'm sure Tony's been keeping on the rev limiter, so we want to make sure it's got something back.
It's qualifying time. My group is up. I haven't had a lap yet. We are gonna run what's called the kidney bean, where you're running the infield for 2 turns. but that cannot happen now because there's too much standing water on the track. So I'd love to tell you more, but it's time to go.
Ready. Strategy?
Strategy. Keep it together. Have some fun. I don't know. Are we're going to qualify bad on purpose. I'm going with that plan.
Okay.
We're in the beam. Well, that was exciting.
Dude, first hot lap, he's got it. No problem. He's doing his taxes right now. The guy's in his element.
There it is.
Hey, that was pretty fun. Woo! Didn't see the track layout change until I got in the car. Thank God Brian Deegan or Brad DeBerti had it and I could just follow him in line. I had no earthly idea. I was like, where's he going? Yeah, I got it now.
All right, well, we got to hop off track. Good job. You didn't crash.
Yeah.
So you made it through your first part. Yeah.
That felt good. It actually, I was like, oh, this is fun as hell. I was like so last
Dude,
minute.
wait till there's 20 of you.
Oh my God, it was awesome.
Nuts. So
it doesn't get all wet?
So they flip. We tried to qualify low. I was just feeling the track out. I wasn't pushing super hard. And we wound up pretty low, like 15 or 14 or something out of 15, like second or third to last. And then they inverted qualifying, so now we're going to start second overall. But so it'll be a bunch
Second
of,
or third?
Yeah, a bunch of angry maniacs behind us trying to kill me the whole time. It's fine. We're just going to settle into a rhythm. It's all good. Find that nitrous button and
The thing that you always hope for is people will follow your pace.
Yeah.
If they have the patience.
Yeah.
But there's always someone that just wants to run over everybody.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Yeah, baby, here we go.
So they inverted the field. So he's second row inside, P3. I gave him some pointers, some old dirt track tips on the restart or the start of the caution. So we'll see if he goes right out of the bat with those or if he just takes her easy, gets comfortable. There's going to be plenty of cautions, so we'll see what happens.
All right, here we go. It's a wet track. We're running this kidney bean. There's a bunch of absolute lunatic animals behind me, and we're gonna do our best. Just have some fun, put down some laps, and deliver a car to Derek after 45 minutes that works, has some nitrous left, and maybe isn't too far back. Here we go. Here we go. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. Stay in second gear. Work this time. Come on, babies. Come on, little babies. Come on. Zach. I definitely pit maneuvered Zach from Hoonigan real hard. That's my bad. Okay, I think I'm getting put to the back of the pack.
He's in trouble. The principal's out there, dude.
So sometimes when you cause a caution and they deem it avoidable, they send you to the rear. You get the ruler on the hand and they say, don't do it again.
I heard Robin was racing. I guess this is something else. Sorry, my bad. Number 3 is not my favorite. Just dive bombing inside. Yeah, I see you. Not today! Yo, this was insane. Oh my God, dude. That was bananas. This car has no guts going down the straights. We have speed in the turns. Oh my God.
So crazy.
I don't know what place we're in. We're towards the back. I got to pass a bunch of people. I got hit like 55 times. Yeah, she getting there. That was the last one. That one turned the car off. Yeah, she's been around the block a little bit. We got into it a lot. When I hit that last one, turned the car off. Leave him alone, dude. That's the best. Came out after and he goes, he ran me. Those are my tire marks through the grass.
I saw that.
And he goes, oh, I thought you were somebody else after. I'm like, okay. Get inside! Yes! Drive through it!
We're in second place. Get pumped.
All right, Derek is running second. He's killing it. Bunch of wrecks happened. He stayed clean. He's driving real consistently. Our car still doesn't have the power on the straights, which is killing me to watch. But he's the last dude. He can like roll the nitrous the whole time. It's happening. Let's see what happens. Cleetus! If you're ever in Florida when this event is happening, you owe it to yourself to come down here and watch. It is the funnest thing I've ever seen. That's good. We need that. He needs to get in and block. Our car cannot pull with these fast cars on the big straight. So he can bunch up and try to make a move and then block. Well, then we're going home with some Camaro, some lifted Camaro. I don't know if I made this clear. The prize for this race is a sick lifted second-gen Camaro and a sick lifted Pontiac Grand Prix G-body. They're very cool. That happens. We are getting those things and driving them home. Done. Done. That'll be the best. This will be a two-parter, boy.
Yeah.
All right, so those are the prizes if you win the race, because the Freedom Factory is awesome. This Bananas 77 Camaro and that, whatever it is, 87 Grand Prix, both four-wheel drive BC trucks, hilarious. Oh, actually, both clean as hell. Let's go watch. There's 3 laps left. They're about to catch my foot in their ass. Trying to kill my guy on the bank. All right, he got it. No! No! Oh my God! What happened? Oh my God, dude. You are a king! That was amazing!
I tried like heck, man. I don't know who was just taking my bumper off.
It's that dude with the fishing pole!
Was it?
Yeah.
He threw my line off so bad, I couldn't correct it.
Yeah. Ah, we were so close, you were driving your ass off.
Man, that car smoked.
Smoked. You drove that thing from beyond the grave, dude.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Oh my God, dude.
Dude, it kept quitting.
Yeah.
Like repeatedly. I had to.
Our car is, yeah, you, I saw you on left foot. I didn't really do a lot of left foot, and I'm like, that's all you were doing.
Left foot,
Yeah, I could see it.
100%.
That transmission is shot and the car kept turning off.
Well, we tried like heck.
Dude,
Second place till turn 4.
Hell, yeah. Oh. That was wildness.
This is good.
Yeah.
You know what? I feel like we need another couple rounds out there.
I do. Yeah, I'm with that. That sounds good. I didn't hear any bell. All right, well, so we were this close to bringing home the Wrath of God 4x4 Camaro. Second place to DNF in one turn, man. It's wild here. I had an absolute blast. That's it for this episode of Stay Tuned. We're coming back. I'm coming back. We're gonna be faster and better and go harder.